My name's Catalán Flores. I'm currently living in London and I work as head of operations for a non-profit startup called Suvita. Suvita works to try and increase the uptake of child routine immunizations in India. We face around 19 million children who are not vaccinated against some of the most common preventable diseases, and it really makes me feel special that my work contributes to making progress against that problem. At ANU, I studied a Bachelor of Laws and a Bachelor of Economics. And within my Bachelor of Laws, I specialized in a lot of international law subjects, things like advanced international law, law of armed conflict, and I also got the opportunity to go to Geneva to study law of international organizations. And that was, without a doubt, my favorite memory from ANU. The opportunity to go to Geneva, visit some of the institutions that are working to solve some of the world's biggest problems in Geneva, talk to some of the officials that are working to do these things at places like the World Health Organization and the Gavi Vaccine Alliance, that was very special. Going to ANU Law set me up for my first job at the Director of Public Prosecutions in Canberra. But really what it set me up to do is it gave me options. It was a very flexible degree and it allowed me to think laterally about my own career and what I wanted to do with the degree and the knowledge and the skills that ANU Law gave me. And it allowed me to then go into management consulting, and then that took me to Ethiopia and now London, working in operations. It allowed me to use those skills for different problems. So my advice for future law students would be twofold. One big thing I recommend is to slow down. The point of the law degree is the journey. You, as cliche as that might sound, you want to make sure that you're enjoying what you're doing and that you're engaging with the content and engaging with the professors and the rest of the students in a way that you find fulfilling. The second piece of advice I would give law students is to think about your degree in a different way. If you want to go into corporate law and have a bread and butter law job, by all means do so. Those problems are interesting and the work is very valuable. But if that doesn't set your heart on fire, if there's something about that work that makes you think, I don't know if that's for me, listen to that instinct and think about how you can apply your degree in a different way. Maybe you can apply it to problems in the non-profit sector, or you can maybe go into entrepreneurship and found a startup that is trying to disrupt some other sector. And think about how you can use the skills and the capabilities that you learned in your law degree and how you can apply those to different problems. One thing I'm often asked is whether if I could go back in time, I would change my degree. People look at my career and they think, you're doing that and you did law and economics, what are you doing? And I've thought long and hard about it, and the answer is no. Every time I think no, I would do exactly the same thing. I think what is valuable about a law degree and an economics degree from ANU is just how malleable it is, how much it allows you to do different things, and the fact that you're not boxed into a particular career. It's about the way that you are taught to think laterally and think critically, most importantly. That is something that I found incredibly valuable, and I would not change a thing.